It is the class of quadratic equation class 3. Already we have done two classes in which we have studied the definition of quadratic equation and solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. Now we will solve the quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Means solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. First of all, we have to find the value of d. So value of d. After finding the value of d, we know that the nature of roots. Then we can find the value of roots. First case, when d is greater than 0, means if the value of discriminant is positive, then we know roots are real and unequal. रूट्स रियल होंगे और अनइक्वल होंगे. लेट वन रूट इज एल्फा, देन द वैल्यू ऑफ एल्फा इज -b प्लस स्क्वायर रूट d अपॉन 2a. सेकेंड रूट लेट इट इज बीटा, so beta is equal to -b minus square root d upon 2a. This is known as the quadratic formula. If value of d is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. As we already know, roots are real and equal. In this case, alpha is equal to beta is equal to -b upon 2a. In third case, if d is less than 0, means the value of d is negative, then there will be no real roots. Let's start some examples. Solve or find the roots of the quadratic equation. X square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. We will do it by quadratic formula. X square plus 6x plus 6 is equal to 0. In this particular question, if we try to solve it by the method of factorization, then we have to find the factors of 6 such that whose sum is 6. Sum of factors should be equal to 6, which is not possible. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है कि 6 के ऐसे फैक्टर्स फाइंड किए जाएं जिनका सम 6 हो. So we can not do this particular question by the method of factorization. So we will do it by the method of quadratic formula. Firstly, we will compare it by the standard equation of quadratic ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing it by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we find a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 6. Now we have to find the value of discriminant, that is d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here the value of b is 6. So 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 6 is equal to 36 minus 24. So value of d is 12. Since the value of d is equal to 12, which is greater than 0, it means roots of given quadratic equation are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Now we have to find the value of square root d. Square root d is equal to square root of 12, that will be equal to 2 square root 3. Now by quadratic formula, roots of the given quadratic equation, alpha is equal to minus b plus square root d divided by 2a, and beta is equal to, second root beta is equal to minus b minus square root d divided by 2a. So alpha is equal to minus value of d is 6 plus square root of d is 2 under root 3 divided by 2 into value of a is 1. Here 2 is the common, so minus 3 plus root 3 divided by 2. 2 is divided by 2, so alpha is equal to minus 3 plus root 3. Similarly, we can find the value of beta. Beta is equal to minus 6 minus 2 square root 3 divided by 2 into 1. Again 2 is the common, so minus 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. So beta is equal to minus 3 minus root 3. So alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Hence minus 3 plus root 3 and minus 3 minus root 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. I think concept is clear now. We will do some more examples related to the quadratic formula. Solve. Two x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Solution: 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Firstly, we will compare it by x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 root 3, c is equal to 6. Now we have to find the value of d, discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. The value of b is 5 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 6. 5 root 3 whole square is equal to 75 minus 48. 75 minus 48 is equal to 27. So value of d is 27, which is greater than 0. That means roots are real and unequal. Now we have to find the value of square root d. Square root d is equal to under root 27. Under root 27 means 3 root 3. Now by quadratic formula, roots of the given quadratic equation, alpha is equal to minus b plus root d upon 2a and beta is equal to minus b minus square root d upon 2a. So alpha is equal to minus b means minus 5 root 3 plus the value of square root d is 3 root 3 divided by 2 into the value of a is 2. 5 root 3 minus plus 3 root 3, it becomes minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. 2 2 is 4. So alpha is equal to minus root 3 upon 2. Similarly, we can find the value of beta. Beta is equal to minus b minus square root d upon 2a is equal to minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2 into 2. Minus 5 minus 3 becomes minus 8. Minus 8 root 3 divided by 4. 4 2 is 8. So beta is equal to minus 2 root 3. Alpha is equal to minus root 3 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 2 root 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Another example. Solve for x. We will do it by the method of quadratic formula. One is p square x square plus p square minus q square into x minus q square is equal to 0. Solution. P square x square plus p square minus q square into x minus q square is equal to 0. First we will compare it by x square plus bx plus c. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to p square, b is equal to p square minus q square and c is equal to minus q square. First of all, we have to find the value of discriminant d. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here the value of b is p square minus q square whole square minus 4 into a means p square, c means minus q square. Here we use the identity x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. So by applying this identity, it will be equal to p square whole square plus q square whole square minus 2 into p square into q square. 4 minus 4 into p square into minus q square becomes plus 4p square q square is equal to p square whole square plus q square whole square minus 2p square q square plus 4p square q square becomes 2p square q square. Now it will be equal to, if we compare it, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to x plus y whole square. So it will be equal to p square plus q square whole square. It is the value of d. Since square of any number cannot be negative, so the value of p square plus q square is greater than 0. Since the value of d is greater than 0, so roots will be real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Now, first we will find the value of square root d. Square root d is equal to square root of p square plus q square whole square. That will be equal to p square plus q square. It is the value of square root of d. Now by quadratic formula, roots of the given quadratic equation, alpha is equal to minus b plus square root d upon 2a and beta is equal to minus b minus square root d upon 2a. So alpha is equal to minus b. Here the value of b is p square minus q square. So minus in bracket p square minus q square plus square root of d, that is equal to p square plus q square. P square plus q square divided by 2 into a. The value of a is p square. First of all, we will solve it. Minus p square plus q square plus p square plus q square divided by 2p square. Minus p square plus p square, both are cancelled. Now q square plus q square becomes 2q square divided by 2p square. 2 is divided by 2, so the value of alpha is equal to q square divided by p square. Now we have to find the value of beta. So beta is equal to minus b minus root d upon 2a minus the value of b is p square minus q square minus the value of d is p square plus q square. So in bracket we will write p square plus q square divided by 2 into a. The value of a is p square. After opening the bracket, it will be equal to minus p square plus q square minus p square minus q square divided by 2p square plus q square minus q square, both are cancelled. Minus p square becomes minus 2p square divided by 2p square. Whole is cancelled. So beta is equal to minus 1. So alpha is equal to q square upon p square and beta is equal to -1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. No. We have discussed the three concepts of quadratic equation. These three concepts are definition of quadratic equation, solution of quadratic equation by factorization method, nature of roots, and solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Now we have to do some word problems related to the quadratic equation. But before doing the word problems, we will do some special questions related to the chapter of quadratic equation. Like solve for x, and question is a upon x minus b plus b upon x minus a is equal to 2, where x does not equal to b comma a, means x b के भी इक्वल नहीं है एंड x a के भी इक्वल नहीं हो सकता. वी हैव टू सॉल्व. सॉल्यूशन a upon x minus b plus b upon x minus a is equal to 2. That implies a upon x minus b plus b upon x minus a. We can write 1 plus 1 in place of 2. 1 plus 1. Now a upon x minus b minus 1. We will write these two combines. Then plus b upon x minus a minus 1 in one bracket will be equal to 0. राइट साइड से हमने 1 को लेफ्ट साइड में लेकर आए हैं तो इसका साइन चेंज हुआ है, और एक 1 को हमने रखा है a अपॉन एक्स माइनस बी के साथ, दूसरे 1 को रखा है b अपॉन एक्स माइनस ए के साथ. आफ्टर टेकिंग द एलसीएम इन द ब्रैकेट it will be equal to x minus b a minus in bracket x minus b plus, again here we have taken the LCM, that is equal to x minus a, b minus x minus a in bracket is equal to 0. That implies a minus x plus b upon x minus b plus b minus x plus a divided by x minus a is equal to 0. If we see here, the sign of a is positive, the sign of b is positive, it becomes a plus b minus x. Again in the second terms, a is positive, b is positive, x is negative, so a plus b minus x. So we can take the common a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x is the common in bracket 1 upon x minus b plus 1 upon x minus a, both equal to 0. That implies a plus b minus x in bracket x minus b or x minus a is the LCM. So it will be x minus a plus x minus b equal to 0. This will be multiplied by 0 and it will be equal to 0. Then there will be a plus b minus x, x plus x, 2x minus a minus b. Is equal to 0. That implies a plus b minus x is equal to 0 or 2x minus a minus b is equal to 0. That implies a plus b is equal to x or x is equal to a plus b. Here 2x is equal to a plus b, that implies x is equal to a plus b upon 2. It means x is equal to a plus b or x is equal to a plus b upon 2 are the solutions of given equation. This particular question is not in the form of quadratic equation, but these type of questions already was in your exam, board exam. Let's see one more examples like this. Solve for x. One upon 2a plus b plus 2x. 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon 2x. So 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x. Here 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 1 upon 2a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon 2x. So here first we apply here 1 upon 2a plus b plus 1 upon 2x. सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पर जो ये x वाली जो टर्म्स हैं इनको एक साइड करेंगे. x की दो टर्म्स हैं, एक लेफ्ट साइड में और राइट साइड में 1 अपॉन 2x. सो वी कैन राइट 1 अपॉन 2a प्लस b प्लस 2x माइनस 1 अपॉन 2x इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 2a प्लस 1 अपॉन b. इफ वी टेक द एलसीएम हेयर, LCM will be 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x. After taking the LCM, it will be equal to 2x minus in bracket 2a plus b plus 2x. Similarly, take the LCM in the right side. LCM is 2 into a into b. Then it will be equal to b plus 2a. We have taken the LCM here, 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x, then it will be equal to 2x minus 2a plus b plus 2x into 1 minus in bracket 2a plus b plus 2x. Similarly, we have taken the LCM 2a plus b, then it becomes b plus 2a. Now opening the bracket, 2x minus 2a minus b minus 2x divided by 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x will be equal to b plus 2a divided by 2ab. Here 2x is plus and 2x is minus, so these are cancelled. If we take the common minus, so it becomes 2a plus b divided by, here we can cut 2 by 2, so x into 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 2a plus b divided by ab. Here 2a plus b, so these are cancels, 1 will be both sides. By cross multiplication we find x into 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to minus ab. After multiplying by x, it will be equal to 2ax plus bx plus 2x square plus ab is equal to 0. Here we will change the sequence of the given equation. 2ax plus ab plus 2x square plus bx is equal to 0. Then we will take the common pairwise. That implies a is the common between first pair, so 2x plus b. In second pair, x is the common, x 2x plus b is equal to 0. Both pairs are the same, 2x plus b, 2x plus b. That implies 2x plus b in one bracket, a plus x in second bracket. That implies 2x plus b is equal to 0, or ax plus b is equal to 0. That implies 2x is equal to minus b, or x is equal to minus b upon 2. From here, a plus x is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to minus a. So x is equal to minus b upon 2 and x is equal to minus a are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Thank you so much.